मैम स्क्रीन शेयर का ओपन कर लिया आपने?
No, ma'am, I'll not share the screen. If I need, then I'll tell you. I'll
Okay.
use the board. Then you kindly tell me if the board is visible or not. First of all, I am
Visible है
going
मैम,
to
visible,
make
totally
you the
visible.
host. Yes, ma'am, you are the host now. Is the board visible, ma'am? Beta, you need to
Visible
quit
मैम.
my video.
Okay, ma'am, can I mute all the students?
Yes, ma'am. Chapter number 3 we will do today, and okay, sorry, I was on mute. So we are going to do the chapter number 3 today. Chapter is related to our digestion, and name of the chapter is digestive system. Digestive system. Clear? First of all, write it in the chat box. Why do we need food? Why do we need food? Very good. Yes, to survive. Yes, some of students are writing to live. Okay, good. Okay, to work. What do we need to work? आप लिख रहे हो, we work. What do we need to work? To study, to survive. We need energy. Very good. Okay, so we need food to get energy, which is required to various activities to survive, okay, to live. And we need food to remain healthy also. And why do we eat food? To get nutrients. What are nutrients? Write it in the chat box. What do you mean by nutrients? Nutrients are the substances present in the food which are required for our body, which are very essential for our body. क्लियर? हमारी बॉडी के लिए जो essential हैं, these are the essential substances which are present in the food. They are called nutrients. To get different nutrients, we need food. Okay? Then after that, what is digestion? Yes, write it in the chat box. Yes, different nutrients. Some of the students like Hemang, he has written the name of different nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. They are the essential substances present in the food which are required by our body. Okay. Yes, Savneem, very happy birthday to you. God bless you, beta. And then next is, what is digestion? What do you mean by the term digestion? Digestion means breaking down of food into simple. Breaking down of food into simple, because our body cannot use it in the complex form. जैसा हम फूड खाते हैं, जैसे एप्पल है उसकी बाइट लेते हैं, चपाती है उसको बाइट लेते हैं, मुंह में डालते हैं, जैसे ही हम बाइट मुंह में डालते हैं तो डाइजेशन स्टार्ट हो जाती है. So in this chapter we will study what is digestion, What is digestive system? What are the different organs of digestive system? Okay. So first of all, I'll make the different organs of digestive system. Digestive system is the collection of different organs which help to digest the food, which help to break down the food into simple, so that our body can use it. सीधा फूड को हमारी बॉडी यूज नहीं कर सकती, उसको हमें पहले सिंपल में तोड़ना होता है, तो उसके लिए हमारी बॉडी में डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स काम करती हैं। तो उन सभी ऑर्गन्स जो कलेक्टिवली काम करती हैं, दे मेक अ सिस्टम, वी कॉल इट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम। सो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम का जो सबसे फर्स्ट ऑर्गन है, दैट इज आवर माउथ। Okay, mouth is the very first organ of our digestive system. Mouth is having teeth. Okay, when we take the bite, we chew it first. Teeth help it to break into smaller pieces. तो जो सबसे पहले first organ है, that is our mouth. And mouth has tongue also, which help it to roll the food in the mouth, okay, to move it in the mouth and to taste it. आपको पता है ना कि टंग के ऊपर क्या होती है, टेस्ट बर्ड्स होती हैं। 4 टाइप का टेस्ट हमें पता चलता है कि वेदर द फूड इज स्वीट, सोर, ओके, ये स्वीट है, सोर है, जहाँ बिटर है, जहाँ स्पाइसी है, कैसा फूड है। तो with the help of tongue we will come to know. And one more thing is there in the mouth. Write it in the chat box. What is there? Mouth में अभी मैंने बताया teeth are there which help to break down the food into simple. और क्या होता है इसमें? What is there? Teeth. Very good. Saliva is there. Saliva is the liquid. Very good. Many students has written saliva is the liquid which is produced by the salivary glands, and salivary glands are also present in the mouth. Okay, यहाँ पे salivary glands भी present होती हैं mouth में, which help to produce the saliva. These are salivary glands which help to produce saliva, and saliva helps to make the food wet, and it helps to swallow it easily, help to chew it easily. So digestion starts in the mouth itself when we take the first bite. जैसे हम bite लेते हैं तो हमारी digestion start हो जाती है. And can you name the nutrient which is digested in the mouth? Mouth में कौन सा न्यूट्रिएंट है जो डाइजेस्ट होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ सलाइवा? सलाइवा में कुछ केमिकल्स होते हैं, दे एक्ट ऑन द फूड पार्टिकल्स, help to digest. Yes, starch is digested. Okay, starch converts to sugar. Starch एक तरह की क्या है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. So we can say कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स की जो डाइजेशन है, it starts in the mouth. After that, remember, okay, जब आप खाना खाती हो, फर्स्ट बाइट लेते हो, फर्स्ट बाइट लेने के बाद आप च्यू करते हो 32 times, you chew it properly. तो then after that you swallow the food. इसके बाद आपका फूड swallow करते हो, आप उसको अंदर लेके जाती हो. Then you don't have to do anything. आपकी बॉडी में वो उसकी मूवमेंट ऑटोमेटिकली होनी स्टार्ट हो जाती है, and food goes into esophagus. Another name of esophagus is, write down another name of esophagus. Another name of esophagus is food pipe. Very good. Mankaran, yes. Priyanshi, all of you writing the answers. Good. It is food pipe. Another name of food pipe is esophagus. ये यहाँ से रन करती है हमारी. Clear? तो यहाँ पे जो mouth, after mouth food goes into esophagus. It is a long food pipe. It opens into stomach. यहाँ पे हमारे आ जाता है stomach. This is the stomach. It is a bag-like structure which help to churn the food. इसकी जो walls होती हैं उसमें involuntary muscles होती हैं which help it to churn the food. ऐसे movement होती रहती हैं जैसे आप कर्ड से, दही से लस्सी बनाते हैं ना, उसकी churning करते हो. Same way, stomach में food remains for 4 to 5 hours and its churning is there. Churning means उसकी जो है mechanical movement होती है which help to break down. And इसमें कुछ chemicals भी होते हैं, acid होता है, weak HCl, hydrochloric acid होता है which act upon the food and help to digest it. स्टमक में क्या होती है? डाइजेशन. ओके, डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड टेक्स प्लेस इन द स्टमक. आफ्टर इट इज डाइजेस्टेड इन द माउथ, माउथ में डाइजेशन स्टार्ट हो जाती है, उसकी सिंपल फॉर्म में चेंज होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. बट ये सेमी सॉलिड पेस्ट में होता है इन द स्टमक. इसकी कुछ घंटों तक वहीं पे चर्निंग होती रहती है, केमिकल्स एक्ट होते हैं, बैक्टीरिया होते हैं कुछ इसमें विच आर हेल्पफुल फॉर द डाइजेशन. देन आफ्टर द स्टमक food goes into small intestine. This is the anterior part of small intestine. Okay, then small intestine के बाद यहाँ पे आती है large intestine. Is it visible? Small intestine, then Rajdeep ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, perfectly visible.
After stomach, there is, this is large intestine. Okay, so inside the large intestine, there is small intestine. It is inside the small intestine and it is very long. Okay, and rolls and it is inside the small intestine. After stomach, food goes into small intestine and this is called the digestive tract. Food या हमारे माउथ से लेकर food then goes to food pipe, then stomach. After stomach, it goes into small intestine, then large intestine, then through rectum and anus it comes out. So mouth से लेकर anus तक जो है, this is called digestive tract. ये passage for the food to get digested. Clear? So food, then food pipe, stomach, small intestine, then large intestine, rectum and anus. These makes the digestive tract. So this is stomach. So this is large intestine. And this is small intestine. And this is the anus. Yes, beta, write it in the chat box and tell me if the board is visible to you. I'll tell you if you need to draw, then I'll tell you in the yes. Okay. No, ma'am, who has said? Sabrina.
मैम थोड़ा सा
yes.
साइड विजिबल है, थोड़ा साइड कर लीजिए सिर्फ.
This side.
That side, ma'am, that side. Shift. No.
हो नहीं रहा है. यहाँ से दिख रहा है. चलो ओके आयल. Hope it's visible now. Is it? Yes, this is mouth. Food then goes into esophagus. Esophagus के बाद stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine. Through large intestine, then it comes out through anus. This makes the digestive tract. But there are a few organs which are not the part of digestive tract, but they help in digestion. Can you write the name of these organs? Then I'll draw these. Can you write the name of these? आप इनके नेम लिख सकती हो. But I'll give you in the homework. If I tell you, then draw it. Otherwise, no. Yes, there is liver. Very good. Okay. Good, Giantika. Liver is there, which help to digest the food, which produces an important enzyme. यहाँ पे जो होता है liver. It is the largest gland in the body and which produces this is liver. It produces bile juice. Food does not go in the liver, but liver produces a very important enzyme. Enzyme means chemical. Bile juice. Clear? So, which help to digest the food. And another organ is here. We call it pancreas. It is present over here and it looks like a leaf. इसकी leaf जैसी structure होती है and it helps to produce insulin. जिन लोगों को शुगर होती है ना, उनका ये ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा होता pancreas. Clear? So pancreas is also the part of digestive system, but it is not the part of digestive tract. Digestive tract का part नहीं है. Food does not go into pancreas, but it helps an important enzyme which helps to digest sugar. Okay, it helps to keep the sugar level करेक्ट। जो जितना शुगर लेवल हमारी बॉडी में चाहिए वो उसको ठीक रखने में हेल्प करता है। सो इज इट, इफ एनी क्वेरी इज देयर रिगार्डिंग दिस तो यू कैन टेल मी। इज इट क्लियर? गॉट इट? Yes. So these are the different organs of digestive system. First we take the food into mouth. So very first part अगर हम फ्लो चार्ट बनाएं तो सबसे पहले हमारा आएगा माउथ। In mouth food is digested, starch changes to sugar. Okay, so this is the first part. After the mouth, food goes into the food pipe. We call it esophagus. Okay, mouth के बाद food through the food pipe, it goes into the stomach. Through food pipe, food goes into stomach. Okay? In stomach, food remains for 4 to 5 hours. Okay? Then it is digested, it is churned properly. Then after that, food goes into small intestine. Food goes into small intestine. After the small intestine, food goes into large intestine. After that, food goes into large intestine. Clear? Then from large intestine, it is taken out of the body through anus. It is the opening which help to release, okay, which help to release the waste. Clear? So mouth, then in the mouth there is chewing, digestion and swallowing of the food. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? Food chew होता है, swallow करते हैं हम लोग, swallowing भी होती है. Then after swallowing, then digestion also takes place. Before swallowing, digestion also takes place. What is digested in the mouth? Write it in the chat box. What is digested? Yes. I'm waiting. Yes, digestion of starch. Starch changes to sugar in the mouth. Okay? Then after that, food goes to stomach through the food pipe when you swallow it. In the stomach, there is churning and digestion. Churning and digestion. इसमें कुछ बैक्टीरिया होते हैं, दे एक्ट अपॉन द फूड, वो फूड के ऊपर एक्ट करते हैं एंड देन दे हेल्प इट टू okay. After in the mouth, chewing is there, swallowing, digestion is there, then swallowing is there. Then food goes into food pipe. Through the food pipe, it goes into stomach. Stomach में क्या होता है? Churning. जैसे हम दूध रिड़कते हैं ना, उसमें से मक्खन निकालते हैं. Same way. तो हमारी जो फूड है उसके ऊपर एक्ट करता है, उसके ऊपर जो बैक्टीरिया एक्ट करते हैं, कुछ इसमें केमिकल्स होते हैं वो एक्ट करते हैं फूड के ऊपर. फूड इज ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू सिंपल. तो सिंपल में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, इसकी डाइजेशन हो जाती है. ओके, एसिड होता है इसमें, वो भी हेल्प करता है टू ब्रेक डाउन द फूड. देन आफ्टर दैट इट गोज इनटू स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. अब स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में क्या होता है? Small intestine में some juices are there which are sent by the liver and by the pancreas. The starting में जो part है, this is also the part of small intestine. यहाँ पे release होते हैं कुछ enzymes. They act upon the food. They help to digest it, to break it into simple. When the food reaches in small intestine, then it is digested. It is broken down into simple. What is the function of the small intestine? Okay, its intestine का जो small intestine है, इसका function है first digestion. When the food is digested, then it is absorbed. Nutrients are absorbed. यहाँ पे सबसे पहले होगी डाइजेशन, देन न्यूट्रिएंट्स एब्जॉर्प्शन. न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर एब्जॉर्ब्ड. क्लियर? न्यूट्रिएंट्स आर एब्जॉर्ब्ड फ्रॉम द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. तो जब फूड स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में होता है तो जो उसकी अभी कुछ न्यूट्रिएंट्स डाइजेस्ट नहीं हुए होते तो वो भी डाइजेस्ट हो जाती है. आफ्टर दैट यहाँ पे ब्लड वेसल्स होती हैं स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में. ब्लड एब्जॉर्ब्स द न्यूट्रिएंट्स. जो हमें पता है कि हमारे कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट्स, मिनरल्स, विटामिन्स, ओके, प्रोटीन्स, दीज go into the blood from small intestine. So main function of the small intestine is कि जो फूड डाइजेस्ट हो चुका होता है, जो जिसमें जैसे आप स्क्वैश बनाती हो, क्लियर, स्क्वीजिंग करती हो लेमन की, ऐसे फूड की स्क्वीजिंग, स्क्वैशिंग हो जाती है, चर्निंग हो जाती है उसकी, तो बिल्कुल सिंपल में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं जहाँ पे न्यूट्रिएंट्स अलग हो जाती हैं. These are taken by the blood from small intestine. Clear? Got it? Write it yes or no. Write in the chat box. So what is the function of small intestine? It helps to absorb nutrients from the food. It gets completely digested when it is in the small intestine. तो वहाँ पे पहुँचने तक complete हो जाती है digestion and the nutrients are absorbed by the blood. अब जो left over है, what is this? Water and waste food. Okay, so what is the function of the large intestine now? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के बाद फूड लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में जाता है. लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का फंक्शन क्या है? इट एब्जॉर्ब्स द वाटर. जो वाटर प्रेजेंट होता है वेस्ट फूड के साथ, इट इज एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय द बॉडी फ्रॉम लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. सो लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का फंक्शन क्या है? एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर. एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर. यहाँ पे इसका फंक्शन क्या है? इट एब्जॉर्ब्स वाटर फ्रॉम द फूड. जो वेस्ट फूड है उसमें वाटर की काफ़ी क्वांटिटी होती है जो हमारी बॉडी के लिए चाहिए, बॉडी को उसकी नीड होती है. तो एक्स्ट्रा वाटर एब्जॉर्ब्ड फूड से कौन एब्जॉर्ब करता है? लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. एंड लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में जब वाटर एब्जॉर्ब हो गया तो लेफ्ट ओवर फूड इट गोज आउट ऑफ द बॉडी थ्रू एनस. It goes out of the body through anus. So what is the function of the anus? It throws out the waste in the form of feces. ये feces की form में जो extra food है, it is taken out of the body. Done? So you have to read it. Tomorrow we will read this. Again we will discuss. But then I'll ask you what is digestion, what are the different organs of digestion, what is the function of different organs. इन सब के मैंने आपसे सुनने हैं, सभी के जो फंक्शंस हैं सभी ऑर्गन्स के पहले. आफ्टर दैट वी विल रीड what is in your book. Clear? Then I'll make you unmute to answer. Through the chat box, I'll not ask. Anyone can be asked to unmute and then you will answer the different functions of different organs of digestive system. Got it? If any query is there, so you can tell me right now. 3-4 minutes are there. अभी कुछ टाइम बचा है तो अभी भी हम डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. So first of all, what is digestion? Digestion is the breaking down of food into simple or smaller pieces, and these are digested. These are broken into simple so that nutrients are released. आपको पता है ना यहाँ पे nutrients जो हैं वो release होते हैं into the blood. जब पूरे का पूरा फूड जो है सिंपल में टूट जाता है, कहाँ पहुँच के टूटता है सिंपल में फूड? स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में क्या होती है? एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स. तो वाटर की एब्जॉर्प्शन होती है इन द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. In the large intestine, water is absorbed. So leftover waste food, it is taken out of the body through anus. Clear? So liver and pancreas, these are the part of digestive tract, but they are not the part of digestive tract, but they are the part of digestive system. Because they have to digest the food. इनमें से कुछ chemicals produce होते हैं which help to break down the food into simple. Okay? So जो flow chart है आपका, that is उसमें क्या है? Mouth, through the mouth, after the mouth, food goes into food pipe, then it reaches stomach. Digestion takes place in the mouth. Some of the digestion takes place in stomach, and then it goes into small intestine. Small intestine में भी digestion होती है. Then after digestion, nutrients are absorbed by the blood from small intestine. Then waste food goes into large intestine, but it is having large quantities of water. Water is absorbed from the large intestine by the blood. Okay? Large intestine से water absorbed होता है. Then waste food goes out of the body through anus. Got it? Yes, Bhumi, you have a query. You can present. Rajdeep ma'am, kindly unmute her.
What's name, ma'am?
It was Bhumi.
Can I allow to all?
Yes, better raise hand so that ma'am can